It's common for the iPhone 14 battery to drain faster while you're on a phone call. But if you notice excessive battery drain during calls, it likely indicates an underlying issue. Here are some troubleshooting steps to fix the battery drainage. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Turn off 5G connectivity. If you're looking to conserve your phone battery, it's worth noting that 5G data usage can drain your battery faster than 4G LTE. To help mitigate this, consider turning off 5G in your phone settings by going to Settings, then Cellular, and then Cellular Data Options. When making long phone calls, it may also be helpful to stick to using 4G data to further reduce battery drain. Disable the background app refresh service. Disabling background app refresh means that your apps won't be constantly running in the background and using up your battery. This can help prolong your phone's battery life, especially for apps that you don't use very often or don't need to constantly update. To turn off this feature for certain apps, go to your phone settings, then General, and then Background App Refresh. From there, you can toggle off the feature for specific apps that you don't want to constantly refresh in the background. Lower the screen brightness. When making phone calls on the iPhone 14, it's best to reduce the screen brightness to around 50% to help preserve the battery life, as bright screens during calls can drain the battery faster. Check for iOS updates. It is recommended that you install the latest available iOS update for your iPhone 14. These updates often include optimizations for battery life and can address issues with call draining. Reset the network settings. Resetting network settings on your phone can help fix connectivity issues that may be causing your phone's battery to drain during calls. It essentially clears out any network-related settings and preferences that may be causing the problem. To reset network settings on your phone, go to Settings, then General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and finally tap on Reset Network Settings. This will prompt your phone to restart and clear out any network-related issues. Get your iPhone battery serviced. If your iPhone 14 battery continues to drain unusually during calls, despite trying the steps mentioned earlier, it may be worn out and require replacement. It's recommended to visit an Apple store and have the battery serviced. Following these troubleshooting steps should help identify and resolve any battery draining problems during phone calls on your iPhone 14. We hope this troubleshooting guide can help you. Thanks for watching.